Winter is here, and we're all reaching to turn up our thermostats. We need to stay warm, but wouldn't it be great if we could heat our homes without warming the planet? HEET, a Cambridge-based nonprofit, has crafted an innovative system that heats and cools buildings without fossil fuels. It's called the GeoGrid. Instead of natural gas, the GeoGrid uses networked ground source heat pumps. That means pipes running from under the street to our building are only filled with water, no gas. The system connects buildings with different heating needs, so energy is never wasted, but is exchanged or stored in the ground until needed. The GeoGrid model is already becoming a reality. Eversource Gas has received permission to build the first GeoGrid in Massachusetts, and 7 other gas utilities and 12 states are now looking into GeoGrids. This exciting electrification pathway can help us transform gas utilities off gas, preserve jobs, and bring affordable energy to our homes and buildings without greenhouse gases. Now is the time to modernize our energy systems to meet the needs of our future. The answer is right beneath our feet. Learn more at HEET.org. That's HEET.org.